Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing guessing game. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, so we are going to learn B words and guess the B words together. So let's get started. Can you guess what is this?
Ball.
Amazing! B is for ball. Can you guess what is this one?
Basket.
Very good. B is for basket. Can you guess this one?
Bicycle.
Very good. B is for bicycle. What is this one?
Book.
Can you guess what is this one?
Bus.
Now, can you tell what is this?
Butterfly.
Very good. Now, can you guess what is this one?
Bear.
Amazing. Now, let us see what is this.
Bone.
Now, can you guess what is this one?
Bag.
Very good. What is this one?
Banana.
Amazing. Can you guess this?
Belt.
Yes, B is for belt. Now, what is this?
Boots.
Very good. Now, can you guess this bee animal?
Bat.
And this fruit starts with B.
Blueberry. Balloon.
Very good. What is this place?
Bed.
What is this B word which rings?
Bell.
Very good. Now next is
Bang.
very good. And what is this one which we use for our breakfast?
Bread.
Amazing! So, we have learned so many B words and congratulations, you have answered all the correct B words. That was really amazing. Thanks for learning with us, kids. Did you enjoy today's quiz?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Thanks for learning with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.